What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Today's video is pretty cool. We're working on Paxton's car right now in the garage and we're finding some pretty crazy stuff, so figure we make a video and bring you guys along. What's up, guys? We are here in the garage doing a little bit of work on the, I almost call it 300ZX Rx7. But yeah, I wanted to kind of give you guys a look at the car before we really get to work on it. Here's the motor with all of the dirt and debris on it. You can see it's never really even been messed with. Everything's original in there. I already started getting in this corner right here and cleaning out a bunch of dirt and leaves, as you can see in there. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of give you guys a little look around so that when we get this thing looking all nice, we got the battery pulled out there, as you can see. But yes, I wanted to do like a little before and after so you guys know what it looks like, or what it looked like before we got started. Yeah, I'll let you guys see it's got a busted mirror here, we showed you in the first video. Got the side swipe on the door. Got the seats that are a little bit tore up. This steering wheel, I don't know if you can see it too well, guys, but this thing is like burnt. Pop the hatch here for you guys. As you see in the back, you can see all the dirt and stuff that's around the edges here. But yeah, just kind of wanted to give you guys a little look at it before we really get started. I already removed, there was a sticker back here on the window. I got that pulled off, you can see right there. Let them see the back seats real quick. Guys, look at this. Yeah, you can see this one's got a rip here too, guys.
I'm already starting to take out the seat.
But yeah, it's a pretty good looking car though. Definitely excited about this one, guys. All right, guys, we are gonna pull out the front seat out of the front. We got Pax here. We already got it unbolted. Be careful, don't hit the door. Check it out, guys. We got the seat out. You can see it sitting over here on the floor. But guys, look at this mess. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. You know what? I think, is that a pair of underwear? Oh my gosh. This thing's old. Guys, Paxton found a McDonald's receipt in there. Is there a date on it?
2013.
2013, guys.
My finger.
Hey, at least it's not 86. All right, guys, quick update. We just got done vacuuming the passenger side. Let me turn the camera around, let you guys see. Hopefully we get a good focus here. But yeah, the carpet is very stained. Probably gonna maybe pull that out and put some black carpet in there. But we will see what's gonna happen. But yeah, check this out, guys. We got the back seats here that you can see. And then look at the behind the driver's seat. I don't know what that is, a book or what it is, but yeah, we're getting ready to pull out that driver's seat, so we'll let you guys see what's under here momentarily.
The lone.
Pax, what is it?
Lone survivor.
The Lone Survivor? Literally. That's so funny, the name.
Survived alone.
And it's in its book, yeah. The Lone Survivor in the back of the Rx7. All right, guys, check this out. I was about to set the camera down so I get you guys a better viewing angle, but check this out. This is, Paxton calls it a quick release center console. You can see the plastic bolts broke there. So yeah, it's gonna make it a lot easier for us to get the seat out. All right, guys, check it out. Not as bad as the passenger seat. I guess the passenger like to store more stuff under their seat than the driver. How much horsepower, Pax?
165.
165 horsepower, yeah! Guys, we just finished cleaning up that driver's seat area. It is looking good, but this carpet is very stained, so we're gonna have to either get some carpet cleaner in here to be able to clean up those stains or replace the carpet entirely. All right, guys, we're headed to the battery aisle right now. Paxton's got the car here, he's busting some drifts. What do we need here? You got the, I guess we can pull it up here. All right, guys, so no, if you've never used one of these before, it asks you for your car. You just selected that one.
Make range.
Now it's gonna say make range. All right, guys, update for you. We found our battery. We actually got the cheapest one. It's like 54 bucks. We got some starter fluid here, and we got the wipers for the front and for the rear. All right, guys, and just like that, we are out of here. About to be headed back to the house. We got mom over here meeting us at the front. She went grocery shopping. We went car shopping. Boy stuff, girl stuff. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. Pax, throw deuces. Guys, we just got done shopping at Walmart. Got the car all loaded up, and we are headed to the house. Guys. Guys, check this out. This function, it's kind of like a Bixby on a Samsung or a Siri on an iPhone. Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Turn on the passenger seat heater. And then watch this, guys.
I'm switching on the seat heating on the front passenger seat.
Pretty cool, guys. Technology's crazy. Guys, we just started the Mazda. Too cool. We're excited. Funny though, we had the door open and these things are smoke monsters and they haven't been started in forever. As you can see, it is smoke city in here. Yeah, too cool. Figured we would come and let you guys know. She's running. Look at this. There's smoke all in the house. Oops. Guys, just for you, give you a little rev. Not gonna bring it too high though, about 4,000 or so. Pax, give him one from the outside.
Okay.
Flip it around, I'm already recording. All right. Guys, we cannot explain the excitement. Pax, show him that smile. We're excited, guys. We cannot believe that it fired up like that. We are so happy that we were able to have an easy, basically startup on this thing. We didn't have to drain the fuel or nothing. I mean, this is awesome, guys. We're blessed. You can hear it purring. Hasn't been started in 10 years, guys. 10 years. Can't really see under the hood, but I will update you guys here shortly. Pop them up, Pax. No pop-up action. Paxton's disappointed. Where's the headlights? Guys, check it out. We got the pop-up headlights. Check it out, guys.
Got them pop-up headlights.
Paxton is like super excited right now. I'm so happy for him. Yeah, kind of gets you a little better look at the engine there. Can't see it too well, but like I said, we'll let you guys see it in the daylight. All right, guys, just like that, this video is coming to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know we had a blast having you guys along for the ride. We got the 2 seats pulled out. We got everything vacuumed up underneath there. All that dirty, nasty stuff that was there. Pretty crazy. It was kind of a surprise for us. But yeah, we got the hatch back there cleaned up around the back, all the dirt and the leaves. We got the leaves and stuff cleaned up out of the engine bay there. But yeah, that's all we got for you guys today in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure to like this video. If you guys are new to the channel and haven't already subscribed, be sure to do that now. But hey guys, until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Peace!